Hey, what's up? The last week we told you about a new robot vacuum cleaner, Roborock S5 Max. You can watch the video about it by the link in description. Yesterday, Lenovo has released its own robot vacuum cleaner called Lenovo X1. It has the same price as Roborock S5 Max, $439. Which one is better? Let me tell you about the main features of Lenovo X1, and then you can decide which robot vacuum cleaner is better for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers, and let's get started. I will not dwell on design of Lenovo X1 because it looks similar to other robot vacuum cleaners in 2019. However, it has some features, for example, black glossy body with gold details. It looks premium and expensive. Also, the new robot vacuum cleaner from Lenovo has very big dust box, 585 ml. For comparison, Roborock S5 Max has 460 ml dust box capacity. Lenovo X1 also has mopping function, but the water tank is pretty small, only 170 ml. The same Roborock S5 Max has 290 ml water tank. Lenovo X1 has 22 different sensors in total, such as LDS pressure sensor, fan speed sensor, and others. You can see all of them on your screen. Okay, now let's talk about main functions of a new robot vacuum cleaner from Lenovo. Let's start with cleaning modes. A Lenovo X1 has 3 cleaning modes: sweeping, mopping, and sweeping plus mopping at the same time. The Lenovo robot vacuum cleaner is able to do wet and dry cleaning at the same time. However, this is not a unique function, because Roborock S5 Max and some other robot vacuum cleaners in 2019 also have this function. Lenovo X1 uses Automated Indoor Navigation System 5.0. The robot vacuum cleaner scans the room, creates a map, and starts cleaning. You can see the map in mobile app, add forbidden zones, no mop areas, and much more. Lenovo X1 has a suction power of 2200 Pascal. Roborock S5 Max has a suction power of 2000 Pascal. The new robot vacuum cleaner from Lenovo automatically changes the suction power depending on surface and garbage. By the way, the maximum noise level is only 55 decibels. Talking about battery, the manufacturer promises 120 minutes or 2 hours of cleaning time. I cannot check it now, so we have to trust the Chinese company. The charging time for Lenovo X1 is 3 hours. Actually, Lenovo X1 doesn't differ much from Roborock S5 Max. They have similar design, almost the same suction power, sweeping and mopping functions, battery life. However, Lenovo X1 has a little bigger dust box, while Roborock S5 Max comes with huge water tank. We only compare specifications and functions, but it is better to compare the robot vacuum cleaners side by side. We will try to buy both of them and make full comparison. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.